All right, so I want to walk you guys through how to print in color on your Mac. Now, there's two different print models I'm going to walk you through. One is through Google Chrome. Anything that's printed through Google Chrome is going to initiate the Google Chrome print modal, which talks directly to your system print settings. And this one's very, very straightforward. If I come here, I hit print. This is the Google one. And you can just see right here in the drop down, it says color. More settings. This one is very much simple, way simple. So it's pretty easy to see where to print there. Now, let's say that we have this logo, which is in the preview, which is an iOS software program, I guess you would say a program. So this isn't going to initiate that same modal. It's going to initiate the system modal on Mac. And you can see this one is a lot more in-depth. And it's a lot easier to miss the print in color right here toggle. So if I toggle this off, you can see that that is now black and white. If I toggle it on, you can see that it's now color. So that is, in the simplest way, the two most popular print modals and how to print in color or in black and white through both of them. So I hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe, all that fun stuff. Appreciate you. Have a good one. Bye.